retain, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and relax.
Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale and exhale on prayer position. Begin. Inhale, arms away, head and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place. Inhale, right leg back. Retain left body straight line. Exhale, knee chest forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, left. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place. Inhale, left. Retain right. Exhale, knee chest forehead. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place. Inhale, right. Retain left. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, right. Exhale, left. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward and place. Inhale, left. Retain right. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. Close your eyes.
Hands at the sides of the body.
Slowly open. How do you feel? Good. Now we'll do some vinyasa in Surya Namaskar. Okay. As you do, I will tell you what all we can do in Surya Namaskara for dancers. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Inhale, arms away, head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm. Inhale, right leg back, look up. And bring your palm up. Inhale. Breathe. Breathe. And try to push your body forward and bend back. Exhale, stretch your arms forward and place your palm. Retain, left leg back, body straight line. Body straight line. Now with control of your body, slowly lift your right palm 1 inch up. With no, only 1 inch up, that there itself.
Just the palms. Yes.
And slowly left palm. And slowly right leg 1 inch up. 1 inch. And left leg 1 inch up. And both the leg 1 inch up. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Lifting your buttocks up. And slowly bring your palm top of the head, Anjali Hastam. Relax your shoulders while doing this. Lift your buttocks. Now place your palm under your shoulders. Exhale, inverted V, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch back. Now inhale, right leg up to the sky. Stretch up maximum. Right leg. Up, up. Exhale, relax. Left leg up. Stretch up. Don't tilt your leg. Don't bend your knee. Stretch. Exhale, relax. And bring your right leg between your arms. Right knee, this way. And bend back. Breathe, inhale deeply. Take energy. And exhale, place your palm. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. And bring your left knee between your palm. Take the energy, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale and exhale. Place your palm. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg between your arms. Bend back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm. Inhale and exhale, bring your left leg between your arms. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. We'll do left side also. You're feeling okay? Feeling okay? Tired? One more round. Inhale, exhale, arm prayer position. Inhale, arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, stretch forward and place your palm. Inhale, right leg back, left leg back, look up. And bring your arms. Bend back, inhale. Exhale slowly, place your palm, body straight line. Inhale. And balance your body and slowly lift your left palm 1 inch up. 1 inch up. Don't tilt your body. Place and right palm 1 inch up. Left leg 1 inch up. Right leg 1 inch up. And exhale, knee, chest, forehead on the ground. Bring your palm on top of the head in Anjali Hastam and relax your shoulders. Now place your palm under your shoulder. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Relax your shoulders. Relax your shoulders, elbows are touching your body. Now exhale, inverted V, stretch back. Lift your left leg up to the sky. Stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. Exhale, down. Right leg up. Stretch up, 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 up. Down. Now inhale, left knee between your arms. Stretch your arms. Relax. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch. Inhale, right leg. And stretch. Exhale, relax. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale, left leg between your arms. Bring your palm up and breathe. Inhale deeply. Exhale, place your palm. Now inhale and exhale, bring your right leg between your arms. Inhale, come up and arch back. Exhale, relax. You understood? See, these variations, I think you all understood. Still, you're lifting your... See, very important that what parts you should use and what you're doing. When you do the flat, like push-up position, you should not tilt your body or, up and down or move your hip side to side and all. You should be straight line. I'll show you some points.
You should not lift your hips up. This is what is happening to most of them. When you're moving into the cobra pose, before that, only the knees down, chest down and the forehead. The buttocks should be up. Now in the cobra pose, a lot of people are lifting their shoulders. Relax the shoulders, bend the elbows, and the elbow should be close to the sides of the body. Stretch back. Try to bring your heels on the floor as much as you can. Sit flat. Enjoy each posture and even the transformation, like from one posture to the other posture. Feel the movement, feel the transformation. And now when you're also bending back, a lot of them are like bending back this way. Push your hip forward and then bend. That strains your back. Push your hips forward and then bend, then it's less strainful on your back. And it's also easier. Stomach in, push your hip and then bend back. Lie down.
Feet apart, arms apart.
Eyes closed.
Relax your body. Make sure that your lower back is down to the floor.
Close your eyes and relax.
Press your lower back and breathe. Press onto the ground and breathe. And relax your lower back. And your shoulders. Relax your body, remove all the tensions from your body. Now slowly bring your feet together, arms by the side of your body. Turn your body to the right side and slowly come up. Okay. Now we'll do small leg stretches. Butterfly, Titli Asana. This is supposed to be very good for Aramandi. But I saw many people are doing this as well and they cannot sit in Aramandi. For that we have another session. I'll teach you that. Actually you have to love your leg now. Fly, leg butterfly.
Nicely move. Keep your back straight and then nicely move. Little more, move nicely. Yes.
Now take your right leg.
Hold the right big toe with your
Bring
right
your
hand.
left arm, lock onto the elbows.
Feel like you're carrying a small baby in your hands.
Try to relax. Very close to your body. You should love your leg. When you can give one kiss. Because now hold your big toes and slowly lift your leg up as much as you can. Just go closer to the leg and love the leg. Give a
Love
wonderful
your leg.
kiss.
Kiss.
Relax.
Stretch it up nicely, straight. Holding the big toe.
This is very good for
Straight.
dances. Again, you're stretching and tear your arms. Okay?
You'll have the tendency to go back.
And relax.
But try to straighten your back as much as you can.
Slowly.
It's more important.
Please. Another leg.
Even if you can't straighten your leg, keep your back straight and then pull your leg towards you. Again.
This will give, it will relax your thigh muscles and your pelvis.
Interlock your fingers and
Once you move, a lot like this.
rocking the baby. The knees should be on in
Ah.
elbows.
Then
like
move,
this.
move.
Nicely.
And bring close.
Both the sides, the feet and the knee.
And hold your big toes.
Nobody seems to be loving the child.
I think you don't like your leg. Slowly stretch your leg out and feel the stretch. And hug the leg and slowly give a wonderful kiss. Stretch up.
You can give a flying kiss for now.
Very, very
and
good.
then slowly.
Slowly bring down. One more stretch for dancers. Inhale, stretch your body up. Move. Then place your palm. Inhale. Exhale, walk with your palm.
Walk forward with your palms.
Stop there. Inhale, lift your lower back up
Stretch your lower back.
and walk forward.
Again walk.
Lift your lower back up,
Up.
walk forward. And relax.
Just
And slowly bring your arms up, interlock the fingers, stretch up and breathe.
let your hands go up.
Bring your chest on the feet.
Don't give up. Just be where you are. And maybe close your eyes and just feel the muscles that are being stretched.
Now inhale slowly, come up. Place your palm behind your body, lift your chest up and relax. Relax. Now all you can lie down.
Lie
Do
down.
leg raising. Make sure you have enough space to move. You all very tensed, looking here and there. Concentrate what you're doing, not what others doing. Feet apart. Feet apart. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Feet apart. Arms apart and relax. And slowly bring your feet together. Arms by the side of your body. Tuck your chin. Inhale, right leg up. 2, 3, 4. 90-degree up. Stretch your toes up. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, left leg up. 2,